So guys, this is not Thailand, this is not Vietnam, but this is Apsarakonda beach. This is in Honnavar. This is surely one of the best beaches I've seen. Beautiful beach. One side is all these rocks forming beautiful cliffs, almost like a secluded part of the beach. I think we can go up there, but now there are some restrictions, so they're not letting people go there. And today could be because it is the weekday today, so almost empty beach. This side of the beach is quite empty. That's why we got great views. Almost like a private beach today. Just crazy beautiful this beach is. That's it. A lot of rocks there. I think if you're adventurous, you can walk around a little bit. But we don't have time. Already 6 o'clock. Already 6:30 actually. So we'll be going back. The tree of Apsarakonda beach. So we parked the bike here. There's a small gate there. So after 6 o'clock it's closed. But then we had a small so we spoke to the guys here. They said as it is a bike, we can actually go in. So there's a small gap next to the gate, and then we took a bike to here. Beautiful, beautiful beach. I think one of the best beaches I've seen. It's also clean, very clean. Could be because very less people. I don't know, at least now there is very less people here. Time to go back. It's already 6:40.